everybody. The date today is Monday, February 12th, 2024. And I just received this wheel, bought it off eBay. It's an Infiniti Q70 sport wheel. It was advertised as brand new. Just obviously they opened the box to show it. And I received it today, so like I always do, I'm going to open this on video. And as I said, that's a two-pronged approach. One, protects me in case there's something wrong, but two, it also keeps me honest and protects you, the buyer, in case something funky is going on in the vehicle with the part that I received. So I got it from the UPS store today, and right off the bat, you can see the imprint of the wheel. I hope it was padded correctly. I sure hope so. It would suck to end up damaging the wheel. Oh, you hear that? See the cracks in certain places. Oh boy, I don't like this already. But as I said, I hope everything was handled correctly. Let's go ahead and open it. Wow. Always something to consider when you're shipping something not just round but heavy, something that's going to touch the corners, the edges, you know. Something here. Might as well just rip this box from there. In there. I need to cut something. I'm going to rip it, just cut it in a way that might allow me to ship it back if needed. Snug in there. Okay, so looking inside, no padding, no cardboard or anything. It's like my phone tilted. Sure did. Haven't seen the lug nuts. Here are the lug nuts. Well, there is some protection, right? I'll have to go watch my video to know whether these lug nuts are the new ones or the old ones. Made a video on that. Looks new, all right. Looks new, unmounted. Here are the spokes. Pretty good. So scratch here. Scratches and dents in certain places. And look at this paint situation. I usually wondered what in the world went on with the factory wheels sometimes. How do you explain that? But it does look new. I was looking for stickers and the like. I see none. I wonder if this is the wheel that I will send to, what's their name? Prismatic Powders, for them to scan this color, and then they can make me a powder that matches this color exactly. It's just a thought. Just a thought. Okay, so you can see from these pockets, I made a video about these pockets. Not very deep. 20 by 9J 43. The part number is 1MA4A. That's pretty much all you need to know. Okay, well, nice and good. Camera keeps falling, and I guess it's shown my next trick. But like we always do about this time, is we're going to weigh the wheel. We have baselines. Okay. £33.8 pounds. Good to know, eh? Okay, I think we've seen enough about this wheel. It's in decent shape. It's not perfect, but I bought it for like $200 for a brand new wheel. I had bigger intentions, bigger goals for it than having it as a show car wheel. You know, I just wanted the color more than anything. I was eager to get a brand new wheel for color purposes, even with these little nicks here and there. It's a brand new wheel. Nathan, what happened, man? What's up with the black markings? Here you go. It's sold as a D0CMM-1MU4A.